The law of value. Your true worth is determined by how much more you give in value than you take in payment. Welcome to Brent's Book Club. I am excited to really break down one of my favorite books, The Go-Giver. I literally read this book every single week for a year. Over 50 times I read this book. It's 123 pages. It's the perfect book to read quickly. It is a parable about a guy that is a go-getter and he's working real hard, but he's just not getting anywhere because he doesn't understand the first law. It is about how much value you provide to the community, not how much you get. All right. And this is beautiful because in this book, it breaks down the 5 laws of stratospheric success. And that's the first law, the law of value. And it's so right on. The more that you give, the more that you are out there providing value, the more that you're going to get back. But that comes full circle with the 5 laws of stratospheric success. The second law is the law of compensation. Now listen to this. I think a lot of people get this wrong. Your income is determined by how many people you serve and how well you serve them. In this book, it was fantastic because it talks about a teacher and she was the best teacher in her school and all of the kids loved her. And then she decided to start a business where she taught teachers how to teach like her. And she was able to serve not just 30 kids in a classroom, but thousands and thousands and thousands. And because of that, she built a $1 million business. That is what it's about. How much? This is what I'm talking about when I tell everybody out there to be loud, share your real estate journey with the world. The world will support you. The world will come to help you out. And as you're helping out the community, it's perfect. The third law, the law of influence. All right, your influence is determined by how abundantly you place other people's interests first. In this section of the book, he talks about the ability to build up your network of people. You become the connector between relationships. And it's not necessarily you getting paid on every single one, but you build up this network of being able to provide and connect people that will be valuable to each other and to mutually beneficial relationships. If you want to know how to network in real estate, if you want to be able to squad up with incredible people in this business, provide value first. Oh, can you feel it? Are you feeling it in this book? Oh my gosh, maybe it's just this amazing room that I'm in, my reading room that I read in every night, but I just feel so alive talking about this book because it is so impactful, it is so powerful. And that leads us into the fourth law, the law of authenticity, all right? The most valuable gift you have to offer is yourself. How many times are you trying to be somebody you're not? How many times are you trying to fake it before you make it? How many times are you trying to do something that just doesn't feel right in your DNA, right? How many times? Be yourself. Be yourself and keep improving. Keep reading incredible books. Remember, leaders are readers. And the more you read, the more you put amazing things into your mind, the more unbelievable you become and the more authentic you can become. And the fifth law, and this one brings it full circle, is the law of receptivity. The key of effective giving is to stay open to receiving. Think about this. This is the law of cause and effect. Right? If you aren't receiving, if you're not allowing yourself to receive the gifts from other people, you are shutting down their ability to give to you, which is the first law of value. Give value. So you have to be open to receiving this value from other people, from other situations, from other opportunities, from other relationships. It is absolutely beautiful. I am telling you, get this book, The Go-Giver. This is my favorite book. I am telling you, I've read this over 60 times, and it hits perfect every single time. This took me from making $250,000 a year to $750,000 a year, the same year that I read this every single week. So definitely get this book. Check it out. Brent's Book Club. Love you. See you.